Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Shyam Dulari from LPM Public School. This is my second video of this chapter, Dear Mrs. Naidu of class 6 English. In this book chapter, as I have told in my first video, this is the chapter in which a girl whose name is Sarojini write a letter to the person to whom he want to express himself, or you can say to whom he want to introduce herself, as it was a school assignment given by her teacher. Here in this chapter, Dear Mrs. Naidu, the name of the chapter, which was written by Mathangi Subramaniam, a 12-year-old girl, her name is Sarojini, and to whom she has written the letter is also Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Both the name were same. And in this letter, at the beginning she told that her mother prohibited to talk to any stranger, but since it is a school assignment, her mother allowed her to write the letter, and this she told because her teacher asked him to say the parents the reason why you have to write, as if you tell them it is a school assignment, then your parents allow you to do something just as you like. In the same way, she told, and her mother allowed to write a letter. Further, she described about her teacher, and she told us that this last week her school started and she was in class 6 and she met her new teacher. Her name is Animish. She was quite different from the other teacher. That is because she want to grow their heart, their mind. She never believe in memorizing the things and saying them back again and again. Her enemies say memorizing things and saying them back make you a parrot, not a person. So this is quite different from other teacher, so she like her very much. She says she want to grow our brain and our heart. Her enemies gave her assignment in the first week of the school, as he know that every teacher used to say but they didn't do, but her enemies has given her assignment in the first week. In this way, she told that she was different from other teacher. In the further letter, she start the assignment and she has chosen Mrs. Naidu to write the letter. In the letter, she described and she made comparison between the life of her own to the life of Mrs. Naidu. For that, she has taken several examples. As when Mrs. Naidu was of 12 years, she wrote a 1,000-line poem in English, but she, that is Sarojini the student, she is unable to write such a long poem in any language. This is the first comparison. This is the second comparison she made, and the first comparison was that Sarojini the student is alive, but Mrs. Naidu is no more. Next, she described about the family and the brother and sister and the study. She said that it means Mrs. Naidu has topped the Madras University in matricular exam, but she has just topped the class 5th exam. Then she said that Mrs. Naidu has fight for freedom, India's freedom, and won. In the same way, he also said Mrs. Naidu has a big house and she has a lot of room and made for doing their work. But Sarojini, the student, has only one room, and her amma, it means her mother, is the maid who work in the other people's home, that is housework. Mrs. Naidu has lot of brother and sister, but she don't have any brother and sister. She is alone. These were the comparison which Sarojini do in his assignment. Further, she said that there is a teacher, Vimla ma'am, who gave him a book about Sarojini Naidu. From that she has read about Mrs. Naidu, and from that book she got the information that when Mrs. Naidu was of child, she was small, she don't want to speak English instead of Bengali, and for that she has locked herself in a room for a whole day because she disagree with their parents. His parents want her to read or you speak in English, but Mrs. Naidu don't want to speak in English. These were the things which she has written in the assignment, and in this way she has finished her assignment at the last. At the end she has said that there is only one thing common in them, that is their first name, and it is Sarojini. Both the person, that is the student, has name Sarojini, and Mrs. Naidu also has the name Sarojini Naidu. So the common is Sarojini. Now let's see the word meaning of this chapter. Here are some difficult word meaning which I have taken. The first word is stranger. It means unknown person to whom we don't know is called as a stranger person. Second word is amma, which is given in your book. It means mother. Third is memorizing. Memorizing means to learn something so that you can remember exactly, to reminding some things. That is called memorizing. Speech. It means people who secretly gather information about another person, country or organization is called speech. Third is complicate, that is difficult to understand. It means complicated. Next word is stood up to. It means express one's view is called stood up to means express one's view. The last word is detective. Detective is a person, especially a police officer, who try to solve crime. I think all of you know about the detective, as you see in your movies, CIDs, the detectives are there. Now let's see the questions of this chapter. The first question, that is A, is answer as directed. It means according to the directed word, we have to do the answer of the given question. First question is tick the correct option. And the question is Sarojini is writing a letter to Mrs. Naidu because. So the correct answer will be, here I have written all the questions. First is question A, answer as directed. The question first is tick the correct option. The question is Sarojini is writing a letter to Mrs. Naidu because. The correct answer will be question number B, answer number B, that is given in the options. 4 options are given, A, B, C, D, in which option number B will be correct, and the option is Sarojini is writing a letter to Mrs. Naidu because her teacher had given her an assignment. I hope you have understood. Question number B will be correct, that is her teacher had given her an assignment. Question number 2 is, why does Sarojini cross out the word that get passed on? In this also the correct option will be question number B, that is, she felt telling someone that they are dead was rude. Their dad was rude. So option number B is correct. In the same way as the directed, the next question is, tick the correct word. Here the questions are given in that there is an option, that is oblique, and we have from the oblique we have to choose the correct one. And the first question is, enemies always like, and there is an option like or not like. From the like and the not like we have to choose the correct one. Any teacher Sarojini's had known before. So the correct answer will be enemies was not like any teacher Sarojini had known before. So the correct is not like any teacher Sarojini had known before. The question number 2 is, enemies told learning by heart without understanding was useful or of no use. So the correct option will be of no use, and the answer will be, the correct answer will be of the question number 2, that is, enemies told them learning by heart without understanding was of no use. So the correct option is of no use will be the correct one here. In this way she want to tell that without learning by heart, it means memorizing that thing without understanding it is a useless thing. There is a no use of just remembering, or you can say just memorizing the things without understanding. If you understand the things, it has use. If you don't understand, you just by heart it or you just memorize it, it is of no use. There is no value, no use. This is told by her enemies. Question number 3 is, Sarojini Naidu did or did not. This is the option, we have to choose one, did or did not. Quite agree with enemies. Here the correct option will be, Sarojini did not quite agree with enemies. It means Sarojini is, though Sarojini like her enemies, but she quite not agree with enemies in some case. The next directed word is, that is, filling the blanks with appropriate word. We have to fill the appropriate word in this given blank. The first question is, Sarojini was blank a book about Sarojini Naidu. So the correct word will be, Sarojini was reading a book about Sarojini Naidu. This book was given by Bimla ma'am to her mother, and her mother has given to her. Second thing, that is, Bimla ma'am gave her the book. So it is a given by her Bimla ma'am to her mother, and her mother has given to Sarojini. In this way we can feel Bimla ma'am gave her the book. Question number 3 is, Sarojini liked the book so much that she is decided to be like her. Here the word her is referred to Mrs. Naidu. In the book she has studied about Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, and with the books she was very much inspired and she want to be like her. Her means to be like Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. In place of her you can also write to be like Mrs. Naidu or Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. That will be the correct one. In this way we have done question A of this chapter. There is 3 parts. First one is tick the correct option. That is, first question number A is divided into 3 parts. First part is tick the correct option. Second is tick the correct word, which we have done, and the last one is, that is, fill the blanks with the appropriate word. In this way we have done the question number A of this chapter. I hope you have understood. So if you have book, fill in your book or do in your classwork copy. In the next video I will tell you about question number B, that is question number B of this chapter. So till then, goodbye. Okay, bye.